Shima wa moi shi mama me yaja I mama mo wa ma I mama reward. Shima wa moi shi boru na hoige I bioch na ba anishes gejo. Shin shan wadi mar of mari ni na mar is mar wari. Shima hak shin shirid lun te kishla na gishla a bolu na green. Shima wa moi shi mama me yaja I mama mo wa ma I mama reward. Shima wa moi shi boru na hoige I bioch na ba anishes gejo. She mori o I mama window I mar green I se flintier. She ma hak shin shirid lun the kishla na bolu na green. She ma wa moi she mama me yaja I mama mo wa ma I mama reward. She ma wa moi she boru na hoige I bioch na ba anishes gejo. She ban og na bauten I ban wona sauna ban she ban G is ban ri and me. She ma hak shin jiri lun te kishla bolu na free. She ma wa moi she mama me yaja I mama mo wa ma I mama reward. She ma wa moi she boru na hoige I bioch na ba anishes gejo. She kalja gemeri hoort brengen naar jangen serales nieuw na kali. She ma hak shin chirid lun te kishla bolu na green. She ma wa moi she mama me yaja I mama mo wa ma I mama reward. She ma wa moi she boru na hoige I bioch na ba anishes gejo. She brehen jari blau tauri winja no is banu gevri. She ma hak shin shirid lun te kishla bolu na green. She ma wa moi she mama me yaja I mama mo wa ma I mama reward. She ma wa moi she boru na hoige I bioch na ba anishes gejo. She ma wa moi she mama me yaja I mama mo wa ma I mama reward. She ma wa moi she boru na hoige I bioch na ba anishes gejo.
Christmas for me is a time for remembering, for preserving and sharing memories of winters long, long ago. This winter, whilst work has stopped at the cottage, I'm reading about Ireland's ancient Brehon law and the importance of kin and community to our medieval ancestors. I find my thoughts drifting back to memories of more recent ancestors and how they kept Christmas for their communities. My grandmother made moist and fruit-filled puddings to warm the soul, and knitted Aran jumpers to warm the children. My mother baked and decorated cakes to share with visitors, and sold her paintings and crafts for gifts at the Christmas fair. They all went to Mass on Christmas morning to meet friends and neighbours and share in a song or two. In our corner of the world, the old folk would invite each other in for games of cards and a celebratory sup, and a tune or two if they were in luck. The fire was piled high with turf, and the pipe was well packed with tobacco. I have uncovered many memories in the repetition of ritual. Stone by stone, the temple of knowing is built. Generation after generation, adding their own flavour and desire to the recipe. The cold and darkness can never truly be vanquished. Year after year, they perform their dramatic dance. But the flame passed down from lifetime to lifetime grows in strength and warmth each time it is shared. My traditions are a little different from those of my ancestors. But one thing I know my mother, my grandmother, and her grandmother must certainly also have done is to spend a little time helping to make Christmas that little bit more special for somebody else. Whilst preparing for Christmas, I've been listening to this stunningly beautiful album by Pagan who kindly allowed me to feature 2 of its tracks in this video. It's entitled Seven Daughters of the Sea, or Seacht Nini Namara as Gaeilge, which is Padraig's own first language, and the lyrics in both English and Irish are included in the booklet that comes with it. So for those of you looking for a special gift this festive season, be it for yourself or for somebody else, you can purchase this album via the link in the description below. Big thanks to Padraig and a Nullig Honna Díobh, or Happy Christmas to all of you watching, sending you all good festive cheer from my home to yours, and looking forward to seeing you again in 2023 for more fun and witchy and renovation-y adventures, hopefully. So for now, Slán agus Beannacht, goodbye and good luck to you.